Hi guys, it's Harvey. Now we are on page 3 on the Aqua Rite. And I cheated. I started reading this page. And I don't know. Hopefully they'll tell us. I know how, but hopefully they'll tell us. We may have to reference this page. Alright, we checked our cell, we cleaned it, and we did everything else like this. Now we're checking. We made sure we have the proper we have the proper salt by our meter, since Harvey said we need to buy one, and we bought one, and we verify our chemistry is correct, and we got. Now we want to check for voltage and amperage. All right. But it tells you how to change the polarities, excuse me, the voltage range and the amperage range. Tells you how to do it, but doesn't tell you how to get here from there. Because you can change once you get to here, you can change. And I'm not going to tell you how. Hopefully the book tells us how. If it doesn't, I'm going to have to explain how. Can't believe they did this. This is your transformer voltage. Once you get to this point, until the board tells the cell to give it amperage, you're going to see about 31 volts. This is amps. Now I want to say one thing and one thing only. Here's your ranges, T9 cell, T5, here's your amperage for the cell. The reason why it's higher amperage, because they got bigger cells, they have more plates, they can handle more volume of body of water, okay? So that's why your amperage goes up, and the reason why your amperage is so low and so high, it depends on your salt count and your body of water temperature. The lower the temperature, lower the salt, lower the amperage you're going to get. Higher the salt, higher the temperature, higher the amperage you're going to get. Okay? You can have the same body of water. I do this on my hot tub all the time. I'm 60 degrees. I have X amount of amperage. I bring my hot tub to 104, and it's a big difference of amperage. Didn't change the salt, didn't change the body of water, I just changed temperature. That's all I changed. How we determine to flip back from, there's two sides of cells. Actually, there's a left side and a right side, okay? Depending, every 2 hours on Aqua Rite, it changes polarity. All right, I believe it's every 2 hours. To switch your polarities, because we're checking amperage now, we go from, this is the main switch, we go to auto, off, back to auto. We go check our voltage, we check it right away, we're going to be in the 30s. Till you hear that magic click about 20 or 30 seconds later, and then you're going to see a running amperage. But I'm going to tell you one part of secret which I don't know if they're going to tell you. It's good to check the left side and the right side of the cell. But the left side or the right side could be worn more than, they don't wear evenly. So what the problem lies is, you need to write down your amperage. If you're 3/4 of an amp difference between the left side and the right side, the cell needs to be changed. I would clean the cell first to verify it with acid, and we'll go through how to clean it. And when you do clean a cell, you clean it no more than 15 minutes at a time. After 3 times, you definitely need a new cell. But we'll go over that in a little bit. But I want to touch base on this amperage. If you check the left side or the right side and you're 3/4 of an amp difference, you need a new cell. Hopefully they tell us how to get from here, because it automatically doesn't come up this way. Okay? I didn't write the book. I'm just reading the book. Okay? We'll go to page 4.